Omido for the beat.
The seatbelt signs are switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. For passengers ready
So I'm just at the airport, Canada airport right now. This is my bag. I'll show you what's inside my bag. Word and shy, pero sige lang. So first, I have my power bank. Na-charge na ako siya gabi using 68% going here. Then I have my passport, of course. Passport. The brush. Okay, my perfume na lang kasi. Guys, is my travel companion, a prayer book for all. Prayer book for you. And wallet. Yeah, wala mga IDs, wala items. Nasi Yoshi. My situation is I'm stuck here sa Canada airport for 16 hours. And then, nagdating ako dito August 1 ng 12 a.m. Like, kadlaw, ano ko diri. So, look at my... Tapos ako, ang flight pa US is 11 hours. How do vloggers vlog? Like, I'm so distracted sa lahat ng noise. Like, how do you center yourself? Okay, wait lang, let me... Okay. Wala na ako na wake up, guys, kay very sticky sa feeling. Okay, next in my bag is my lipstick, Revlon red lipstick. And I also have my oil control pore minimizer from Pretty Secret. Pagkat ko sa skin primer. I also have this GMCY double ended face from TikTok. And my powder. Wala ko siya gigamit kaya dili gusto anything products on face. Maybelline powder. I also have this leftover na sa breakfast kanina sa fried chicken na boneless. Ano ko siya. I'm wish french fries. This is the only thing that I bought here in Haneda Airport, which is the Japan. I mean, except sa food, is Japan ref magnet. I was supposed to buy a keychain, but sayang wala kwarta, guys. Like, sayang dyan. This is my alcohol, my only alcohol, full of makeup and medicines and rosary. And I like eye drop. So I have a cream for my allergy. Also have the bubble gum and this face massage. It's actually got a lot of energy. Like not energy, but I don't want to waste it. And I also have my glasses, my charger, and shit. And then, yun naman ang laban ng aking bag at your sunscreen. Although may sandali sa airport, it's nice to have your face protected. It is now 9 a.m. I just got back from the information counter because I was supposed to check in my, my flight to EU with. Pero, katuan na sila later pa daw, 1 to 2 hours pa. Kaya wala pa sa monitor ako ang boarding gate. So, I still have to wait. Giyasan ako ang mga stuff sa PAL na sa US na ako akong luggage. Like, katulad ako gias, kalimaan. I'm still so anxious. Kaya what if, di ba, nabili or nakalimutan nila akong luggage. If I need to remind them, hoy, hindi ka birthday ngayon, doon ka sa far away. Dagan kaayo kasi ano jud. I'm so grateful for this journey kay dagan ko na meet na people like, not directly but like, nakasalamuha with like dagan po Koreans, may people. Wow. Hindi ka pala Filipino ba? Like, refreshing makapaminaw ko. Kanang Bisaya, pero wala pa Bisaya diri so far. Koreans, nagahang.